Hey guys, welcome back to ARK Survival Ascended, the complete journey on the island. This is episode 4, and yeah. So today, I'm on my parasaur that we tamed in the last episode. He has our little animated skin on, and I think our goal is going to be to get some metal and maybe a better tame, because parasaurs are parasaurs. Oh, we also got this, hello. We also got this, shiny Phiomia, which is kind of useless, but he's cool. You know, it's a shiny, so. Yep, do a little happy dance. But anyways, I think what I want to do is first go look for something to tame. Basically anything like a iguanodon. I wouldn't mind some raptors. If we could find like a pack of raptors, I would totally tame those. I don't know. Anything really. Still haven't changed the settings, so this guy's just gonna sit here and be growing up, so. You know. But what I do need right now, and I should have done this before I started recording, is, tranks. Nope, not you. You. I need lots of... Oh, I have a bunch. Cool. Okay. Awesome. We need a bunch of tranks to tame things. Also, I'm gonna need some bolas. Because, well, why not? Random GB. Okay, let's make some of those. Why the heck not? I mean, right? Microraptor. And Dilophosaur. Okay, not bad. What was I doing? Bolas. That's right. 4. And that'll make us equal out to 5 in total. So that's pretty nice. Cool beans. What level am I? 47. It's not bad. It is not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this iguanodon saddle because that is the thing I want the most. And, because I like iguanodons, man. They're such a good starter tame. And we had one. Had one is the key word. So now we're stuck with you. And you. You're fine, you look really cool. He's like all blue and it looks awesome. Alright, let's take the rest of these. Okay, I think we're gonna go now. That should be enough for like anything. If it's not, then I can always just, what's it called? Make a slingshot. And then I think we'll be good. I'll put some more weight on you. Now, where should we go? I've had bad luck that way, and I've had bad luck that way. And I don't want to go that way. So I think we're gonna go this way. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Okay, cool. Ooh, try the bite. Die. Thank you. It's good to have a lot of chitin in the early game. And just in general, like, chitin's so useful. I do see an iguanodon over here. Level 60. That's what we're looking for. But not this one exactly. Also, you look awesome, bro. He looks like a watermelon. Not really. He looked red from over there, but now that I look at him, he's like purplish. Let's keep moving. I mean, a trike wouldn't be bad. The only problem is I would have to build a trap. And I'm lazy. I don't want to do that. Oh, hello. Oh boy. Okay. I forgot that that's a thing with the arcology mod. It has more alphas. which is really cool. But not cool right now when that's a Therizino. Out of all the ones. A Therizino sounds terrible. Are these all alpha boosted? They are. Yeah. That's no fun at all. Hello. I'm still gonna go this way because I want to. Okay, leave me alone. Don't hurt me. Oh, what is that? An Alpha Dilophosaur. I wonder how hard that is to kill. I mean, it's just a Dilophosaur. It's only level 25. I don't know if I want to mess with it, but I'm gonna try and figure out how to get past this thing with the Therizino right next to it. Also, oh my gosh, that is a high level. You know, maybe we just go for it. Oh, shoot. Okay. I know I'm going towards the swamp, but I'll make a turn as soon as possible. Shoot, I'm near his child. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm sorry. Oh, shoot. There's nothing I can do. Man. Oh my gosh. Dude. It's the... What? That's happened every single episode so far? In some way, shape, or form? I have died. What? Oh my gosh. Max level turtle over there. You know, maybe I should just never leave the house. Let's just never leave our little thatch hut and become one with the house. And be like... I don't even know. Where am I even going with that? I don't know. Okay, go away. I'm not even that mad, though. I mean, come on, that was my fault. Oh my gosh. Hello. 55. All jobs. 50. Okay. At least we'll always have this Mosasaurus. Unless I die in the void. Which is only possible in one cave? One cave. Except no, you can use grappling hooks to get out of there. I don't know what I'm talking about, man. You're also 150, man. What the heck? Although I don't want to tame you yet because you're a flyer. Make the game too easy, bro. Where are you? There you are. Alrighty. Well, that sucks. I got the Metroberries before he died. Because I want them and I need them. So that's just so I don't have to harvest them next time. Because, yeah, they're annoying to harvest. Oh my gosh. They're annoying to harvest by hand. Alright, well, I guess we can just, grab the rest of the narcotics in here and make some more arrows. Cool. Well, let's figure this out. Should I go for that? gonna try it. Anyway, cancel this. You know, these drops could have something good. I'm really hoping it has some sort of crossbow. This is a low chance, I don't know. Let's get this out. Going into the jungle. And raptors are very prominent in jungles. There's a dillo. Oh, one of them's mad, but I'm just gonna keep running. I can't see anything. It's a bunny dodo. Okay, good sign. It's on a rock. Huh, I mean, hey, a pike. It's a pike. I'll take it. It's better than my spear. Is this? Oh, it's better. Cool. I don't think I need a tripwire alarm trap. I don't think I need soap. Come on, we don't take baths around here. Who needs soap? Anyways. It's the big 25. Nobody takes baths. Let's keep going this way. I'm out of water again. Oh my gosh. I still can't see a single thing. Also, I'm overheating. Are you serious? Mejoberry. You want a Mejoberry? I can give you a Mejoberry. Oh my, never mind. You didn't. Is it safe down here? You're incredibly good. I'll tame you. I will tame you. There's a Becky. It's also 140. But parasaurs are better. Nope, wrong bed. Where's he at? Oh, is this him? You're a Becky Rhino, that is not him. So, oh my gosh, I am very close to dying. Are you him? Yes, you are him. Okay, but I'm gonna get water first. Because I need it. Or I'm gonna die right now. What is that? Parasaur. Turn on. Drake? Okay. Just looking at everything, man. I'm not in a good state right now. It's another 145. Maybe I should go over there and live over there for a bit. I mean, that's not a bad idea. I'm high enough level for a raft. I don't know why I haven't done that already. Yeah, you know what? Let's tame this parasaur. I don't even know what I'm... Why? Why haven't I thought of this yet? Hello. Be my friend. Watch out, Shrike. Go to sleep. Take a sleepy nap. Oh no. And oh, are you? Okay. Why is it so laggy? Okay, thank you. Go to sleep. Please. I said please. Sleep. Yes, I know. Sleep. That don't work on me, bro. Are you kidding me? I hear that. Okay, take your berries, bro. Hurry up. I don't know if you guys heard that, but yep. There's a Deinosuchus over there somewhere. Oh yeah, I see him right there. Hello. Okay. Well, I think he's far enough away. Their aggro distance is not, like, very far at all. Like, they kind of keep to themselves for the most part. What am I trying to do? Parasaur saddle, yeah. Is your child still here? You definitely had a child. 4.8, that's not too bad. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know. He might just have to tame and then I'll have him follow me home because there's not much to kill easily for hide. What about you? Oh, you perfect. You have a child too. And I have a... What's it called? What's the pokey thing in my hotbar? A pike. That's what it's called. Oh my gosh. Okay, get you too. Thank you. You have a lot of prime meat. It's gonna put... I'll put that to good use, buddy. Oh, you have a lot. Oh my gosh. And you? Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of hide. PMAs always have, like, heck of hide. It's great. Oh, okay. You know, it's fine. We have enough. Oh, I'm pretty sure I'm getting more with the metal pick anyways. Cool. Fiber... Is that what we need? Yeah, 50 fiber. Let's see. So, how's my parasaur doing? That says the moss drops. That is not my parasaur. Okay. That's totally not terrifying. Hello. Please, no. Leave me and my parasaur alone. Don't do it. You don't see us. That is terrifying. Think I could tame it? No! You need to be level 70. Is he after my parasaur? No, he's not. Dude. That was so terrifying. No. No. Man. Oh. Oh, hey. Hello. Is he after me? Oh, after. Oh, he's after the Deinosuchus. Okay, well, the Parasaur's dead. I give up. We are moving. I'm moving away. I don't want to be here anymore. We're going to a safe island. There's metal over there. There's peaceful dinosaurs. Life's great over there. Okay, I understand that was my fault. But at the same time, level 70? I mean, yeah, it makes sense. Deinosuchuses are insanely powerful. But I did not expect that because, like, everything else, like passive tame, is like, you have to be like level 10. Level 70, it's a little high. I mean, you know what I mean, right? I just didn't expect it. Oh my gosh. Well, okay, yes, it was my fault. Well, and the good thing is we have enough hide for a raft. The only thing I need is fiber. Which I need 1 piece of fiber. Okay. There we go. Raft. This is, I mean, dude, I don't know why I didn't think of this. I could have done this on episode 1. Okay. Let's get this over on the shore. Let's park it. Nope, stop. There we go. Let's get close to the house though. Like that. Alrighty. So, I forgot what I was doing because I had to go. But, I think I was gonna put some stuff on the raft. Yep. Okay. I remember now. Let's see. Hold on. I need a box of storage. Actually, wait. Why don't we just do this? I always forget that you can pick up things. I'm still used to like the decay timer being like 30 seconds. Does anyone remember that from like Survival Evolved? Where you could only pick up certain things within 30 seconds? Yeah, that was terrible. Before that, it was only, like, you couldn't pick things up at all. You had to demolish them. Now it's just you could pick them up anytime. It's great. I don't know what brought them to even, like, have that as a thing, but this is a whole lot better. I think I'm just gonna do this and put everything in here. I can organize it when we're there. But for now, that works. Ooh. That's a cool shiny. A parasaur. Hold on. 70-80. That says 70-80, right? It's right there. Yeah, that's a little too far. Okay. I was just seeing, I mean, we're kind of close to it, so. But it's too far to go on foot, so. Alright. They're on the raft. Oh wait, hold on. Do you have anything? You do. Oh, just one thing. For some reason this is 8. And I'm gonna pick up you too. And you. Alright, this is just a much better idea. I don't know why I didn't do this, like, hours ago. Off sailing. Off to the island. I guess we are on the island. We're going to the small island. Is that Rex over there? Alright, now let's hope for no lead sickties. Because that would be absolutely terrible. Because, yeah. You are mean. I don't like you, Mr. Rex. And I'm leaving for good. So goodbye. Oh, this is that Titanosaur. I will bring you guys back if anything interesting happens. Because at the moment, nothing interesting has happened. So, I'll bring you guys back if I get attacked by elite sickness or anything in the ocean that would like to eat me. Or, yeah, just anything really. Alrighty. Well, we made it, and there's a bunch of peaceful dinosaurs, of course, about what you oh my gosh, about what you would expect. Ankylosaurus. If you guys are good levels, I will oh my. Yes. Just yes. That is awesome. He looks so cool. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do I think we're taming this guy. We are taming this Ankylosaurus. I want him so bad. He is... Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh, shoot. I almost walked off. I'm just going to gather some metal right here. Just a little bit. So that I can make a crossbow, because I would much rather tame this with a crossbow than not. And I definitely have enough tranks, so... Okay. This is perfect. And he will help us harvest the metal that's here on this island. So. Although he does have a lot of... Oh my gosh. Okay, 2 max level Ankys. You guys heard that, right? That was like a lightning. It's probably one of those Nothosauruses, man. They have like lightning bolts. It's terrifying. Alright, so I have arrows on me. Definitely not enough, but I have arrows. You know, we're just gonna live on this raft for a bit. Who needs a house anyways? Like, when we have a boat. Dude, that is perfect. The only problem is I gotta get them away from these dudes. They're all male, which actually is fine. You two? Can you follow me? Thank you. Get off the boat so that we can have more space. Stay there. Okay. So. I know I already have, like... Seriously? Dude, okay. Hello? Can I move? Okay. Yeah, that works. Crossbow? I don't have enough. Oh my gosh, fiber. Frickin' fiber, man. Always the fibers. Tranks. Trank arrow. Thank you. That... Dude, I think that's enough. I don't know. Oh, yep, that worked. I don't know, though. Just put all my stuff down. Let's just put a bed down just to make sure. You know, you never know. Ankys could get violent. Maybe. You never know, man. We have 66 arrows. I might want a little more. That's probably not enough. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Which I need arrows. I just need arrows. Boom. Boom. And boom. Just grabbed all. 36. Alright, I mean, we're doing pretty good. We are doing pretty good. You're going to be my friend, Mr. Ankylosaurus. And that moss chops over there still has its little thing on. Another 20, that should be perfect. Make sure you guys are on passive. And yeah, okay. Let's try to do this. I wonder if you can get headshots on these guys now. I don't know. Let's eat some foods. And let's do that. Like, okay. I'm so lucky that none of those Ankylosauruses over there are female, because then he would be mate boosted. Can hit that. Okay, level. Oops. sorry. Okay, we're still doing good. Go to sleep. Thank you. Come on, man. There he goes. Perfect. Okay, and then I just saw a parasaur. Yeah, it's probably okay. Oh, hello. Let's hope his friend isn't mad at me anymore. I don't know where his friend went. Saw him over here. And that's his other friend, right? Yeah, that's the 95. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Hopefully he doesn't come back and get me. But for now, we're good. Unfortunately, I don't think I have, yep, not nearly enough Medjo Bays. I think what I'm gonna do is real quickly do a bit of this. Oh, are you serious? I'm just gonna get some quick Medjo Bays with this guy because I don't want to do it by hand. Don't stop on my base, bro. Mr. Bronto. So I'm freezing right now? Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, he's gonna tame super quick. I'm gonna make a parasaur saddle. I can. Perfect. Yeah, I'm freezing right now. I might die, but it's okay. I have a bed right here I can respawn at. Oh, he's only getting 10%. Let me kill you. So you are prime meat. Cool. Alright, hurry up, bro. Yeah, man, I am freezing to death bad right now. I'll just wait for this guy to tame. And I'll bring you guys back once I have some food for the Anky. Or maybe once the Anky's tamed. I don't really know. Yeah. Alrighty. So the Anky's taking quite a long time. I've already been sitting here for like 30 minutes and it's still at like 30%. So it's taking forever. Which is kind of expected, but it's alright. What I want to do is make some more metal tools. Because, yeah, metal tools are great. A sickle. Yep, okay, cool. That's what I wanted to do. And I won't harvest the rest of the metal up there until the Anky's tamed. Because, you know. Actually, wait, hold on. How much do I need for an Anky saddle? Where's it at? There it is. I need 10. Okay, so I need a little more metal, so I'm gonna go do that. Let's go harvest some more metal. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do this, and then that'll be the end of this episode. Because I feel like I've been doing this for quite a long time. And yeah. I think in the next episode we will go back to the mainland and look for something. And look for something. Something that will be able to kill things. So maybe like raptors. I could go for a Carno. I mean, we could probably do a Carno at this point. And, you know. Just, something to go kill something. Something to make me feel powerful. That's kind of what I'm going for. And, yeah, I think once I once I metal this... what? What am I talking about, bro? Once I harvest this metal, which I'm done now, I will end this video. That is grass. So, let's see, let's get to the edge of the cliff without falling. I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully this Anky will be tamed, because this thing is taking forever. Forever. And yeah. Bye-bye.